Ever felt the thrill of commanding your own high-speed beast? Today, we're tearing into the ultimate lineup of RC cars that deliver insane speed, rugged durability, and jaw-dropping stunts. Whether you crave backyard brawls or precision racing, stay tuned to find your next adrenaline-fueled ride. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Hot Wheels. Aaron Wheelz Stuntin Wheelchair, the best new wheelchair RC car. Meet the Hot Wheels. Aaron Wheelz Stuntin Wheelchair, a standout in the world of RC vehicles. Inspired by Aaron Wheelz Fotheringham, this unique remote control wheelchair impressively combines fun with education. This model can zoom up to 30 miles per hour, offering thrilling speed that rivals many traditional RC cars. It performs exciting tricks, including jumps, spins, and even standing upright after a tumble. This feature really sets it apart from competitors, making it a standout choice for anyone wanting more than just a basic RC experience. You receive a cardboard ramp, perfect for showcasing impressive jumps. Using it sparks creativity and encourages kids to explore their own tricks, fostering imaginative play. The included stickers allow personalization, making this wheelchair feel special and unique to its user. One of the most noteworthy aspects is the learning opportunity it presents. Kids gain insight into the capabilities of individuals with disabilities. This product not only entertains but also educates, making it a fantastic tool for promoting understanding and compassion. On the flip side, assembling the ramp takes a bit of time. However, this minor inconvenience just adds to the anticipation and excitement, making the launch even more rewarding. The Hot Wheels Aaron Wheelz Stuntin Wheelchair shines brightly as a fun and educational toy. Up next, get ready to experience a ride that defies expectations and teaches a powerful lesson. At number 4, we have Traxxas TRX-4M 4x4 crawler with Ford Bronco body, the best replica RC car. Get ready to hit the trails with the Traxxas TRX-4M 4x4 crawler with Ford Bronco body. This RC car captures the essence of the real Ford Bronco, letting you enjoy all the fun without worrying about gas expenses. You'll appreciate the grippy tires that give this model excellent traction on various surfaces. This powerful motor provides ample strength, helping it conquer rocky terrains with ease. Unlike other models that may struggle on inclines, this Bronco continues to glide effortlessly upward. Accurate detailing makes this vehicle stand out. Its impressive interior complements the stunning exterior shell, ensuring you get a true replica experience. Flexible frames and robust suspension systems enhance climbing skills, making it ideal for challenging outdoor adventures. Multiple color options, blue, orange, white, gray, and black, allow for personalization. Each color looks fantastic on the road or at the park. What shines most is the added touch of realistic headlights, which look great when the Bronco shell is on. One minor drawback involves speed. While this isn't a high-speed racer, its crawling abilities are superb. However, that slower pace allows for more controlled and thrilling rock climbing experiences. After extensive testing, it's clear this model excels as the best replica RC car available. Stick around, our next crawler scales obstacles with unmatched precision. Still searching for the perfect RC car? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Bezgar Off-Road Monster Truck 2WD Remote Control Car, the best value RC car. Get ready for some off-road excitement with the Bezgar Off-Road Monster Truck 2WD Remote Control Car. This awesome little beast offers fantastic value, especially for entry-level fans and seasoned RC enthusiasts alike. One of the highlights is its robust aluminum body. It withstands collisions while zooming at speeds up to 12 miles per hour. This durability is perfect for those who enjoy rugged terrains. Working roll bar headlights add a cool touch, allowing for fun, nighttime driving adventures. A few things stand out about this truck. First, it boasts all-terrain tires that provide excellent grip. You can confidently tackle grass, dirt, or gravel without worrying about slipping. Another great aspect is the long operational time. You'll enjoy up to 25 minutes of play on a single charge, which keeps the fun going. With a 2.4 GHz remote that works from over 160 feet away, control feels seamless during races. While its 1/14th scale might seem small, it still packs a powerful motor. Beginners will appreciate this inviting size for easy handling. However, seasoned racers might find themselves craving more speed options. Hold tight, a rugged monster built to conquer any terrain is charging up next. At number 2, we have Losi Stadium Truck, the best RC car for tweens. Ready to rev up your fun? The Losi Stadium Truck stands out as the best RC car for tweens. Its 1/18 scale makes it perfect for indoor and outdoor adventures. You'll appreciate its compact design, making it easy to handle and maneuver. Lightweight yet responsive, this truck excels in performing impressive jumps and wheelies. Imagine your tween mastering tricks that impress friends. On top of that, this model requires no assembly, allowing kids to get right to racing. Who doesn't love a quick start? Rechargeable features make this truck eco-friendly. You won't need to keep buying batteries, saving you money in the long run. Plus, Losi provides AAA batteries for the remote, so your child can leap straight into action. While many users enjoy speeds outdoors, some have mentioned tire wear when driving on concrete. It's not a huge downside, as outdoor fun is best suited for grass or wooden surfaces anyway. What truly shines is the ease of use. Your tween can grasp control quickly, boosting their confidence while having tons of fun. They will develop their skills without feeling overwhelmed, making it a fantastic intro to the RC hobby world. Consider this nimble truck if you want to encourage outdoor play and creativity. Don't blink. A nimble racer designed for tricks and thrills is about to launch. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Traxxas Stampede 4x4 BL2 SRTR remote control car, the best RC car overall. Ready for excitement? The Traxxas Stampede 4x4 BL2 SRTR remote control car is a powerhouse that raises the bar for RC vehicles. Its oversized monster truck-style tires grip various surfaces brilliantly. Whether you're racing on smooth tracks or off-roading through rugged terrain, you'll feel the confidence in sharp turns as this car stays balanced and minimizes the risk of tipping over. Crashes are part of the fun, yet this model's durability shines. It handles impacts with trees and rough descents effortlessly. You won't find yourself constantly worrying about minor mishaps. This car is built to last. A responsive and powerful suspension system ensures that bumpy ground or jumps become smooth experiences. Landing from short heights feels easy, perfect for outdoor adventures or backyard tricks. While enjoying your sessions, you may wish for extended battery life. Though it performs well for shorter playtimes, the thrill encourages you to get back out again quickly. Versatility stands out as a key highlight. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced driver, the Traxxas Stampede delivers exhilarating fun and excitement. You can easily adapt it to various driving styles, making each outing unique. What I love most about this model is its overall capability and user-friendly nature. If you're searching for the best RC car, dive deeper into the Traxxas Stampede experience. That's a wrap! We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best RC cars. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which RC car you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.